We're already off to a terrible start. Look at this. $15.64. That is 20 cents more than it costs for me to go on my phone, order Chipotle, and the Chipotle arrives at my door. And I had to drive to the store. I had to put on pants, look at this, just for a piece of meat. And it's raining. I hydroplaned the whole way there. I could have died. You're supposed to cook it at room temperature, and it's not, but I'm hungry. I don't want to wait for the room to warm it up. I could just cook it. That's what cooking is for. Maybe you can predict what else I'm gonna be doing later today, but we're focusing on steak, all right? Let's cook it up. I probably shouldn't do that. Oh. Why is it gray? Oh no, wait, why is it gray? Wait, why is it gray? Why is it gray? I'm so confused. Okay, this is why I got sick. This is why I got sick last time. This is why I got sick last time. Because I ate ground beef and it was gray, and I was like, I can probably cook the gray out. And I got so violently sick, I passed out. Why is it gray? Hold on. Is it because I hit it? Hold on, okay. Okay, if it turns gray, maybe it's because I hit it. I don't know, I might ask. It kind of looks like my handprint though. Okay, we're posting it to the server. If you want to join, it's Discord GG/GoHerping. So we can, I don't know if anyone's online. It's 7 a.m. I'm trying to see if the other parts turn gray. Gray doesn't always indicate bad. The whole comment section was like, why would you eat gray meat? Who in their right mind would eat gray meat? But Google just said it might be okay if it's gray. The side looks fine. I'm so tired. I should have gone to Bojangles. It would have been half the price of this steak. So Reddit, the #1 source for reliable information, everyone says it's fine. Ew. Yeah, this is okay. Yeah, all right, we're gonna eat it. Okay, here we go. I'm scared now. Oil. How much oil? I don't know, don't ask me. I'm gonna try to do this without watching the video. 135 for medium rare. It's in the 40s right now. I should probably wait for it, but I don't want to. I'm hungry, okay? Oh, I forgot to season it. Let me turn this off, actually. I mean, I probably need a lot of seasoning because it's so thickums. It's warming up. Should have gotten a chicken biscuit combo with the bowl rounds and a large sweet tea. Could have gotten 2 of those. Okay, it's starting to smoke. I think that means it's ready. I think I flip it after 3 minutes, so. Hey, look, it smells good, all right? It looks pretty fatty. I like steak fat. The problem is, if this is the one meal that goes well and it doesn't make me end up hospitalized on the toilet, this is $16. If I start eating like 2 $16 steaks a day, I'm spending more than I would be like ordering DoorDash. I'm cooking it on medium heat. I don't even know if that's right. Oh, I only have 3 minutes on the SD card. Oh no. Oh god, I need to switch the SD card. Alright, don't stay there, okay? Alright, we're gonna check the temperature now. It's 83 degrees? That doesn't seem right. 83? It's literally on top of fire. Okay, now we gotta, oh, the butter's burning, I think. Spoon. I don't know if I did it long enough on the other side. Why is it only 88 degrees? I mean, I guess because it's on low heat. Let me turn up the heat to like medium well, medium high. Yeah, it's only 93 degrees inside. That's weird. I think I'm gonna flip it again. Okay, 109, 98, why is it cooling down? I mean, look, even if this doesn't come out well, I know this is making you hungry. It's It's still not hot enough. All right, I'm turning the heat. Oh, it's not even on the flame. Okay, that might help. Still, I think I'm burning it. Why is it exploding? Okay. Holy shit. What the fuck? What? Did you see that? Is it done yet? It's only 105? There's no way it's not done. Okay, 124. Oh, alright, I think it's... Okay. Oh my god, my heart rate is probably so high right now. Oh god. Okay, let's cut it in half. Is it done? Wait, that's just fat. I'm trying to see the inside. I don't know. I feel like it needs longer. Like, I don't know. That seems just like regular rare, not medium rare. Woo! It should have just been bow time, man. I'm just thinking about them chicken biscuits, man. It's getting smoky in here too. Can you see it? There's no way it's not done now. It's gotta be done. If it's well done, who cares? Not me. Okay, let's cut it again. Oh, I put my knife on the dirty rag I was cleaning with. Oh, shoot. Okay. It's definitely cooked enough. All right. Oh, it splashed everywhere. Okay. Okay. All right. I don't know why I always eat it right here. This is our dinner spot. Okay. I mean, it smells good. That actually looks like steak. I mean, I'm looking forward to eating it, and that's probably a pretty good sign. Surely it can't taste bad, right? Maybe not enough seasoning, but I could always just add more. Let's start with a non-fatty piece. My mouth is watering. Good sign. There's not enough seasoning, I can already tell. I'll add some on top. It's probably not as good to add it after the fact, but it actually tastes like there's no salt on it, which is kind of insane. You saw how much salt I put on it. There's no taste of pepper at all. I guess it's just so much of it cooked away, like what got burned away. Okay, let's try another bite. Okay. Oh. Okay. Let's try fat. Okay. This is my domain. I was born for this. I mean, it's a little bit overcooked. I didn't think this video would, I didn't expect a fire, but I also didn't expect to enjoy this. I don't know, man. Okay, for some reason, some of it is like completely raw or like rare, and then other parts are like well done. I don't know what causes that. Let's try a rare bite, I guess. Yeah, that's too rare. Why is it so inconsistent? See, and then this part's like well done, and then this part's like rare. I don't know what to do with all these vegetables. Man, I forgot to put Starry in the fridge. I'm having trouble believing that this dish was prepared with these hands. I don't know, man. You might be looking at a Michelin star chef right here.